Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to tell you how to make um, rib stitch. How to make rib stitch. This is a rib stitch. You can see I have made scarf with this design. See, this is a scarf, and it's very easy to make because this design becomes same from both sides. Like you can see, that's the one side, and this is the other side, and looks same from both sides, and it's very easy to make. And this is made with even stitches like 20 21 20 28. So I have these 21 stitches here because it is going to be on 4 stitches, like 4 4 4 4 and 1 extra, so it's going to be 21. So how to make this design? It's very easy and simple. I have made a little bit here like this. You can see this is the first stitch. We will slip the first stitch and purl the second stitch like this and knit the 3 stitches. 1 2 3, and then purl 1 and knit 3. 1 2 3, purl 1 and knit 3. 1 2 3, purl 1 and knit 3. 1 2 3, purl 1 and knit 3. The last 3 stitches are knit. So again you have to come back and start the other row. It is same like the one I made. Slip 1, bring the thread at the front and purl 1 like this and knit 3. So these knit 3 are, one is purl, this is knit, and this is purl. We have to remember that always it should be like this: 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, but you are going to knit 3 of them. 1 2 3, purl 1 and knit 3. 1 2 3, purl 1 and knit 3. Whole row is like this. This design is so easy to make and so easy to remember that how you are making. You can make any other things as well, like blanket or sweater, or you can put this design on anything, but it is suitable, perfectly suitable for the scarf because it looks same from the both sides. So again we will make the same thing, like slip 1, purl 1 and then knit 3. Then again purl 1 and knit 3. Purl 1 and knit 3. And this is very quick to, very fast to make. I have made the wrong thing. Yeah, purl 1 and knit 3, and again purl 1 and the last 3 stitches knit. See, it's the same like that one. I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.